So I'm getting ready to head out. Doing my pre-trip, I noticed I have a screw. Well, it looked like a screw in one of my tires. So what I'm going to do is I try to take it out and I hear it's leaking. So I'm going to plug it. These plug kits, you could get them from any trucking place, like the dealer. You could get it from the truck stop. You could get it from just about any parts place. A lot of them sell it. It's just a plug kit, and that's what it's made for, to plug truck tires. They have some smaller ones for your cars. This one right here is for the truck. Come with that rubber cement. These are plugs that you put in there. You just need one, and then you have this file right here. Once you take that out, you push this down in there and you kind of file it. The plug going here, so I'm going to put one in there, get this ready. It's good to keep one of these on you at all times, because you never know when you're going to need it. It's a Sunday. Right now there's no tire shop open close to me, so if I do decide to call a tire guy out, I'm either calling him out to come plug it. You might have some guys that do mobile patch, or to put a different tire on it. It's not at the point where you need a different tire on it. You just need to plug it. Okay, it's not leaking. It don't leak unless I try to take it out. In these containers, man, I notice I get a lot more stuff in my tire than when I normally just run the road. I had one tire the other day, about 2 or 3 screws in it, but none of them didn't go deep enough for the leak. Sometimes when you get it out, you might have to put some more air in your tire. Try and bring the air back up, because you're going to lose the air. Yeah, bigger pliers. And this is why I keep saying invest in tools. Okay, you never know what tool you're gonna need when you're gonna need it. It's best to buy the tool and never use it. And need it and you don't have it. You see, this one not even so strong. Cause normally it don't bend like that. But that's how you plug your tire. Some people cut it off, I don't cut it off, I just let it stay there. That's what was in there. It's a $12 repair. You could patch a day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It come with 5 plugs. So even if you use it one time, it still pay for itself. What I'm going to do, I'm going to watch it. I never plug one that end up leaking again. I'll still watch it over the next couple of days, see what it do. If I need to re-plug it or if I need to patch it.